vegan like 3 years old. We have everything. Probably we have 1,000 plants. And we have garden, we have chicken, we have cat, we have dog. Just nature friendly. No chemicals, no nothing. All we grow is all natural. And I love my backyard. A little cypress. A little cypress. A little cypress.
So really, other than moving some heavy things for her, she's done all of the work here. You can see newer plants that we've got coming in. We've got flowers, roses, David Austin roses to be precise. Thank you. Roses are her like prize possession. I think she has over 130 different roses. Again, bed full of roses, a couple other smaller flowers. I don't know what that's called in English. Okay, and then this year, because of everything going on with the coronavirus, we decided that other than our garden, which is back there, we're gonna start trying to grow some corn. You know, mix it in there. The beds are big enough, so we've got some corn plants growing. That's a, forgive my pronunciation, osmanthus, sweet olive, guihua. Roses, more corn in the back. Another guihua. Some more corn. This is a citrus tree. Some other small flowers. And now we've got these, and I don't remember what these are. These are longans. Had a wax apple. Malika mangoes, Indian mangoes. This one and that one. She's gonna have to go over all of these again. Okay, this side's a mess. We're still working on this part of the yard, but more flowers and the flowers. And this is it's called a fruit cocktail tree. I guess originally it was 3 different types of fruit grafted onto one, but really we've only had plums able to fruit. Hydrangeas, let's check on the babies. Hey ladies. Let's get up close and personal. Yes, hi, what's up girls? Good evening, it's almost bedtime, huh? Yeah, ooh, you guys are so full. Yeah. This little one, she's gonna get her own episode. That's 315. 315 because we got her on March 15th. Clever. This, probably one of my favorite parts, is her Peggy Martin roses. And it's really one plant here and one plant here, and then that's literally it, and it's covering all of this. Okay. And then inside here we've got loquats. We've got another osmanthus, a sweet olive in the back. We've got white nectarine over here. We've got our beans coming up now. Some kale stalks that we're still using from the winter. Hot peppers, tomatoes going in the back. And another nectarine over there. So yeah, and then our deck that we built by hand when we bought the house 6 years ago. So yeah, we look forward to the next episode. We're going to start doing specifics on parts of the yard, and that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, and if there's anything that you want to know about anything you've seen, just let us know.